So this is our provision reefer room. This is where we keep our fruits and vegetables. This is the main entrance for the refrigeration. We go in like this. Here we have three rooms. This is the fish room, this is the meat room, and this is the vegetable room. This goes inside vegetable room. So this is how big the vegetable room is, and the temperature over here is set to around 7 degrees. Plus 7 degrees. There's the milk and all the fruits and vegetables that we use for our to eat and stuff. Next we'll go to the meat room. The meat room, the temperature is around minus 18 to 19 degrees. Here you can see all the meat kept over here, all the chickens and stuff like that. This is the meat room, and this is the place where you get the cooling from. So this is the evaporator basically. So let's go to the fish room and see. And this is one of the important things. This is the locked in alarm. If this door doesn't open for some reason, I press this and the bridge gets informed, and they'll get know that I'm stuck inside the refrigeration, and they'll come for my help. As you can see, smoke is coming out from my face. You can know how cold the temperature is right now. Yep, so this is the locked in alarm. Let's go to the fish room. Doesn't close properly. Make sure it closes properly. This is the fish room. As you can see, fish room is filled with all these items. You see ice formation over here. That's the reason I'm here. I'm here to defrost the ice from the evaporator. So you can see the ice over here. This is one of the very smallest fish rooms that you can see. So yeah, this is our refrigeration onboard to keep all our fruit, vegetables and meat. Hey guys, so I'm currently in the provision room of my ship, and I've come here to do defrosting. So I'll just show you how the ice forms in our room currently. So this is the vegetable room, and this is our evaporator. As you can see, the ice is formed on the outer layer, but this is nothing guys, this is literally nothing. Look on the downside where the evaporator takes air in from, filled with fully ice. So this entire thing will stop the cooling and eventually bring down the temperature. So because of this, I have to remove all the ice from this, and also have to remove this panel, and then I have to remove the ice from there. So this is how defrosting takes place on board ship. So yeah, this is how the ice forms. This is the fan guys. Yep, so let's get defrosting. Yep, so as you can see, I've rigged up a hose which supplies me continuous fresh water, and I've stopped the fan. Currently the fan is off. I don't know if you can see. Just let me put my torch and show you guys the ice formation that's inside. Yep, so as you can see, it's complete ice inside guys. There's only one way that I can remove this ice from the water. So if it was hot water, then it would be really good, but I don't have the facility of hot water on this ship, so I'll have to spray it with normal water. So it's pretty much simple guys. Just take this hose and you sway it right and left and remove all the ice. Then you remove this cover, this entire cover you remove it. It's simple guys. It's a screw over here. There are a few screws over here, and here. Just remove that screw and you spray water inside. After that you just switch on the fan and just monitor the temperature. And very important, before you leave, before you switch on the fan, make sure there's no water on the tray. There's no water on this tray, and there's no water on the floor. The floor has to, this is where I put a plastic kind of a sheet, and then I'll do the work. So this is how you manually defrost it. The same goes to meat room and the fish room. Right now the vegetable room is what causing me problem. The meat and fish room are somewhat okay. This is because whenever we take in new produce guys from the land, we guys usually, the doors will be open for a long time. They won't switch off the fan. Because of this, because of all the carton boxes which is fresh over here, the heat exchange won't happen properly, and because of that ice formation takes place. So usually whenever you take new provisions or new produce, this is a routine that you have to do and that you have to follow. So as you can see, water is here. I just press this pressurize, I just put my finger in and the water pressure increases. So just have to spray water to this entire thing so that all the ice melts down and the evaporator is free to take in air and also do the heat exchanging. Do this for the entire evaporator, and the evaporator will give a very good temperature. Look at the ice formation, guys. I just opened this flap to show you guys the ice. Look at the ice. Look at how much ice there is inside the evaporator. You have to get each and every bit of it. If not, your temperature won't come. Usually the temperature of the vegetable room is around 6-7 degrees Celsius. So right now it's around 14 degrees Celsius. So you can see the amount of difference in temperature that it has. So same thing, take the hose, sprinkle water on it, melt down the ice, make sure there's no ice left on the tray and on the floor. Simple. Okay guys, so I am halfway done. I can see the difference. This is after defrosting and this is before. You can see how clean I removed the entire thing from ice. Hope you can see. I'll just put on my torch so that you can see properly. Just see this difference before and after. Like the same way you remove the entire ice on this area and your temperature will be back to normal.